Welcome student, standard 9, subject mathematics 2nd, unit number 5, quadrilaterals. In this unit we will study the properties of various types of the quadrilaterals. First we study what is the meaning of quadrilateral. See here, these are the 4 points in a plane named as A, B, C and D. Now see here, out of these 4 points, any 3 points are non-collinear points. See here, these are non-collinear points. These are non-collinear points. Then joining these points, the figure so formed is called as quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral ABCD. Now see here 4 sides. Every quadrilateral has 4 sides: side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. These are the 4 sides, and 4 angles, means angle A, angle C, angle B and angle D. These are the 4 angles, and 2 diagonals, diagonal BD and diagonal CD, means 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. There are total 10 elements of any quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral ABCD, AB and BC, see here, AB and BC, this pair is adjacent side. Another adjacent pair is BC and CD, AD and AB. 4 pairs we get adjacent sides. Also angle A and angle B, these are the adjacent angles. This is one pair. Angle A and angle D, this is the another pair of adjacent angle. C and D, this is the another pair of adjacent angle. Angle C and B, this is the another pair of adjacent angle. Angle A and angle C, these are the opposite angles. Angle B and D, these are the opposite angles. There are 2 pairs of opposite angles. BD and AC, these are the sides called as diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. Side AB and side CD, these are the opposite pairs of sides. Side BC and side AD, this is the another pair of opposite side. These are the elements of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we first study various types, means first type is parallelogram. This is one type. Another rectangle, rhombus, square, kite. Parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and kite. These are the various types of the quadrilateral. In this unit we will study the properties of parallelogram. See here. First we studied the definition of parallelogram. Here ABCD is a given quadrilateral. Then its opposite sides AB and CD, these are the opposite sides. Also AD and BC, this is the another pair of opposite sides. In a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are parallel, means AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC, then it is called as parallelogram. Means in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are parallel, then it is parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite sides must be parallel. Now we study first property, opposite sides. These are the opposite sides, and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. This is the first property of parallelogram. First we study first property, opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. This statement can be converted into if then when if given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. Means here we draw a parallelogram figure. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. This is our given. What is our proof? To prove opposite sides means side AB congruent side CD. This is first pair, and side AD, its opposite side is side BC. This is our first aim. And second, angle A congruent angle C, angle B congruent angle D. Opposite angles are congruent. How can we prove this? To prove corresponding sides or corresponding angles are congruent, there must be two triangles. So we draw a diagonal AC. We draw diagonal AC. Construction. We can draw diagonal AC. Here see, there are two triangles formed. Remember that if given quadrilateral is parallelogram, then its opposite side must be parallel. Remember that. Now to prove side AB congruent CD, BC congruent AD, here two triangles we prove congruent, and also to prove opposite angles are congruent, also these two triangles must be congruent. Means proofs here in triangle ACD and triangle ACD, see corresponding ACD, then BAC in triangle BAC. In these two triangle, first point, angle DAC, see here, these lines are parallel, means here angles are formed. These are the alternate angles, means angle DAC congruent angle BCA. Give reason here alternate angle, because given quadrilateral is parallelogram means its opposite side must be parallel. If these two sides are parallel, then here angles form, means here these angles are alternate angle, must be congruent. Alternate angles. Another here, side AC congruent side AC. This is the common side. Side AC congruent side AC, common side. And third one, DCA, this angle here Z type. DCA, angle DCA, this angle congruent to this BAC, congruent angle BAC. This is another alternate angle. Then we say that here angle side angle, mean these two triangles are congruent. Congruent triangle BAC by this give reason here by ASA test. Remember that if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are congruent, means side AB congruent side CD, side AD congruent side BC. Reason for corresponding sides of congruent triangle. If these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are congruent. Also these are corresponding angles, and angle B congruent angle D, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. The another pair angle A congruent angle C we can prove by drawing the diagonal BD, and these two triangles are congruent, then we say that angle A congruent angle C. First only here write down. Similarly we can prove we can prove angle A congruent angle C by drawing diagonal BD, and only you have to write here only to drawing diagonal BD, angle A congruent angle C, triangle, which are triangles means BAD, triangle ADB, congruent triangle ADB CBD by the test. Similarly, we can only prove right down here ASA test. Means we have to prove that if given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. To draw the diagonal first, then prove these two triangles are congruent, then we write corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. This is the first property, means opposite sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent. This is another property. Diagonals are, remember that diagonals are bisect to each other, means this is a quadrilateral parallelogram ABCD, diagonals intersect at point O, then OD congruent OB and OA congruent OC. Also adjacent angles are, these are parallel sides, adjacent angles are supplementary of each other, means there are three properties: opposite sides congruent, opposite angles congruent, and diagonals are bisect to each other, means BD is 10 cm, then OB is equal to 5, AC is equal to 12 cm, then OA is equal to 6 cm. By using these properties, we study practice set 5.1.